Ever wondered how to create those jaw-dropping cinematic scenes that make your videos look straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into Runway, the AI tool that can turn your wildest text prompts into stunning video clips. Runway AI is an innovative platform designed to make video creation as easy as typing a sentence. With tools like the Gen 2 model, you can generate professional quality videos from simple text prompts, images, or even existing footage. In this tutorial series, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start creating your own AI-generated videos. First things first, head over to runwayml.com. Click Sign Up to create a free account using Google or Apple. Once you're in, we'll explore what you can do with your new Runway account. Now let's create our first video using text. On the homepage, select Text to Video. Input something a movie scene with a cinematic effects like an epic medieval dragon battle in a fiery cavern, with molten lava flowing and casting a red-orange glow on the armored knights and the massive dragon. You'll get a free preview of several generated videos. Choose your favorite and click Use this input to generate your final video. I'll also test a purely text-based prompt, like bears playing on the playground, and an octopus juggling kitchen utensils. The results are intriguing, but remember, text-only prompts might lack the detail and customization you get with images. Next, let's use image to video. Upload an image, like a futuristic cityscape at night, with neon lights reflecting off rain-soaked streets. A speeding hovercar races through the scene, leaving a blur of colors. Runway allows you to adjust settings like motion, camera zoom, and interpolation. For instance, set the general motion to 10 and hit Generate. The result is a warped but fascinating animation. You can also experiment with camera motions for effects like a parallax view. Try a scenic city image and adjust the motion controls for a drone-like effect. You can see impressive results like a dynamic view of New York. Extending the video duration is easy. Just click Extend and adjust the length. What if you want to transform an existing video? For that, use video to video. Upload a short video, like a short movie clip. You can apply style presets or use text prompts for transformations. While it's a bit hit or miss, experimenting with different styles like sci-fi or pixel art can yield some interesting results. Here's my favorite feature, the motion brush. Start with an image, then select the Motion Brush tool. Use the brushes to animate parts of the image, like making waves crash or a character move. You can customize the direction and intensity of the motion. It's like bringing still images to life with your touch. Finally, explore Runway's other AI magic tools. From text-to-speech to 3D capture, there's a lot to discover. For pricing, the free plan gives you 125 credits, with paid options offering more credits and higher quality exports. If you're serious about video quality, the standard or higher tiers are worth considering. So, whether you're looking to create jaw-dropping videos or enhance existing ones, Runway has you covered. Try it out and let me know what amazing videos you create. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content.